Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech. In this video, I will show you a new setting that is offered as of PolyWorks 2025. Notice in my project, I already have a CAD model imported, but there is no alignment history. Typically, if I have a probing device, I might do some type of probing alignment before I start scanning. Or maybe I would just start scanning and do a best fit later. Let me go ahead and start a scan. Start scan. And make a few passes. And notice, now that I have my scan, I have my alignment history in its original alignment, which is not quite overlaying the CAD. Let me go ahead and delete this. And let me introduce you to this new setting in PolyWorks. I'll return to my scanner, and there's a checkbox called Pre-Align During Scanning. Let me turn that on. And there's a button where I could define my pre-alignment. With 2 clicks, I could go ahead and specify a starting point and an end point. And pretty much with these 2 clicks, I'm telling the operator how to begin scanning the part from point 1 all the way to point 2. So now when I start scanning, I'll make sure that my first scan is aiming at that designated spot, and then scan in that direction. And you see, the scan was already roughly aligned, but then the best fit quickly took place after. Let me go ahead and continue scanning my part. And finish. And you'll notice, because of that setting, there is a scanning pre-alignment alignment in my history, followed by a best fit. That was the new pre-alignment setting that was offered as of PolyWorks 2025. Thank you for watching.